Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install elinks on Linux. So at the beginning we have to go into terminal, and in the terminal maybe I will tell you what is elinks, because elinks is a text-based web browser basically for the terminal. So we can use a browser without a graphical interface. So how can we check if our elinks is installed? We can check it by typing in elinks -- version. As you can see, it is not installed, so we have to install it. We can install it by typing in sudo apt install. Apt install of course will work only on Debian and Ubuntu. If you are using, for example, Fedora, you have to use DNF here, and if you are using different distribution, you have to use your own command that is used to installing things on your Linux distribution. So sudo apt install elinks like this. We have to press enter. Of course we have to type in the password because we use sudo. And now, do you want to continue? Yes. And right now we have to wait a bit for it to be installed. And right now we can again type in elinks -- version. As you can see, I have elinks 0.16.1.1, so everything is working. And how you can use this elinks? You can basically type in elinks like this. And welcome to elinks. Press escape for menu. Documentation is available in help menu. So I can press enter, and as you can see, I have a search bar right there. I can enter a URL address. I can move like this by pressing arrows on my keyboard. So down arrow, up arrow, and up arrow. It works like this. We can cancel that for now. And now, how can we quit that? We can quit that by pressing Q on the keyboard and pressing enter. Do you really want to exit elinks? Yes. So like this. And maybe I will show you if I will press cancel again. We have something. When I click escape, so I'm clicking escape, as you can see we have something like this. So we have I would say menu. So we can press on that by pressing enter, and as you can see we have open a new window, open new tab, a lot of things. Of course we can switch between that by pressing right and left arrow. So right, left. You have a lot of options right there. You can use it. As I said before, we use Q to exit. For example, we use G to go to the URL, T to open the new tab. It works like this. Of course, you can use this exit from there and press enter, and it will also work exactly the same like pressing Q on your keyboard. And this is how you can install elinks on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.